Oh shit, it's not good. Hey. God, what is you saying? Woo! Hold up. My brow done jumped up out my good. What is goody, y'all? It's your girl, Eva K, and I'm back at it, baby. So what you doing? What you doing, girl? What you doing, guy? Oh, I'm just chilling. About to bring y'all some natural textured slayage today, y'all. So before we get into what I'm bringing you today, if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope by the end of the video you'll consider becoming a part of the Eva K crew, boo. And y'all know how to do that. Just click that red subscribe button. And to all my A1s since day one, what it do, crew? I love y'all, all my boos. So about that textured wig, bam. Have y'all seen this joint? I was like, you know what? I never do super like grandma styles because legit that's what this looks like to me on this model. She look like she a grandma. I'm gonna bring it to my babes. So without further ado, let's get to it. I was kind of excited, so I had to go ahead and hurry up and cut the lace off before I could record the video. But this is the unit with the lace cut off. So yeah, you got your 2 combs in the front or on the sides, and then your 1 comb in the back and adjustable straps, and you have that parting space. So I'm going to take Miss Valentino off. I'm gonna put Miss Badu on, and I'll be back. Y'all, I love the way this freaking unit feels. It is so freaking like, oh, literally giving me Neesha vibes. Like, of course, I got to shout out the cult favorite of 2019, and that was Neesha. Yeah, she is giving me like Neesha's little, like, I don't know, her cousin maybe. All right, so let me let y'all know some of the specs on this unit. So this is, as I said before, the Badu natural press textured unit. It is a soft textured unit, lace front, hand tie part, high heat up to 400 degrees. I don't usually, you know, you see a lot of people like smushing. I like my filler hairs. I'm a big hair, don't care type of chick. I would even go a step further and her up a little bit more, Bill. She is from Zury Sis Wigs. I have her in the color SOM RT Butternut. There we are. Yeah, she does come in a number of colors. Your natural colors, your 1, your 1B. Then you have the other colors. They have some. She's shedding. Ooh. Okay. She's shedding. Let's comb this lady out, cause she playing with me right now. Let's see. She does shed. It may be from me. It may be from when I cut the lace. I'm hoping that's what that's from. Because yeah, that was a little much. She does come with the little underarm hairs, cause they do not look like baby hairs to me. They look like little underarm hairs. Don't have to use them as I did. I just pushed them back. It was just a few, and they were just on this side, which I appreciate. I don't see any on the other side. That's that hairline for you guys. The hairline ain't bad. It's not bad. Okay, so if I wanted to pin this mug back, if I wanted to pin her back and do this, which if I was at work I probably would. She is fitting ear to non-ear. This is This is where she's supposed to be. Like, this is, this hair, Lord Jesus. Okay. Yeah. So I like a deeper part, but this is where, I guess, where the part is supposed to be. She is not coming all the way ear to ear on me. I still got, I mean, she's coming ear to ear, but she's falling a little short as far as like true ear to like ear tab. Yeah, she's falling a little short there. And y'all know I'm bald headed now, so I ain't got no whole lot of hair up under there. My head circumference has not changed, but yeah, so she might be a little snug if you have a lot of hair or if you have a big head like your girl. But I'm loving her. She definitely has that yucky texture or that blown out texture, because really that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to mimic a pressed do. It's that natural texture, you know what I'm saying? But it doesn't have like the like the crimp look, like that. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm talking about, like that tight crimped look. It doesn't have that. So I'm loving. I mean, y'all, if I step up out the house right now, if you don't know me, you don't know this ain't my hair. You don't know that I did not get my hair pressed, girl. What? All right, let me take this out to see how it looks as it's. Oh shit, that's not good. Hey, God, what is you saying? Woo! Hold up. Look, my brow done jumped up out my. God. Y'all know I get excited. God. Oh, jeez, let me just be still for a second, Lord, because I'm coming up out of clothes. Shish! Y'all. What? I'm sorry. Let me focus. Let me concentrate. I could deal with sis in her natural state of where she's supposed to be. I'm feeling real presidential. You understand? I feel like, sis, if I'm up on the podium and I'm trying to be your candidate for 2024, I'm that. I'm her. I am Ifa K for president. You understand? Oh, that's what I'm giving you right now, girl. Girl, come get it, sis, because I'm giving it to you. I'm serving. Make sure you tip your waitress, because I'm serving you, boo. What? All right. I don't even know what else I'm supposed to say. Let me show y'all the back of her real quick. Yeah. She's not too long. She has this little fun number going on back here in the back. I mean, she is slaying. Running for office, sis. Other than the fact that she is shedding her life away, she is a winner. Y'all, I didn't even put any powder in the part. That part is, I approve. Alright, y'all, so I feel like I've pretty much covered it up. She ain't hard. She wasn't hard. I feel like I should be on this stock card though, because sis is not doing Badu any justice, period. She a slay. I'm loving it. I am loving it, baby. Like McDonald's, you hear me? Yes. That's a little better. Yeah, because she was looking a little tight right there. But yeah, if I've left anything out in all my freaking excitement about my new campaign, please drop me a comment down below. Ask me any questions. I will try my best to answer them. I am just excited for this freaking wig. Yeah, that I do believe wraps it up for Miss Badu. Boo. Zury, holla at your girl. Let me get your next card, boo. I will leave a link down below to multiple websites that sell her. So sis, if you want to cop Miss Badu. Open it up, boo. It's a couple presents down there for you. I love to give. You understand? So, there you go, boo. So, that wraps it up, guys. I'm done. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and, you know, share this video. Share the wealth. Don't you be stingy now. You give too, okay? You give too, girl. God, do that. Thank you. I do appreciate it. Anyway, you guys, I love y'all. I thank God for y'all. I pray he continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me. As always, I love y'all.